Hi everyone, this is Srinivas from Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain how can we complete the .NET full stack course in 4 months and how can we make you job ready. See, here we are taking total 4 months time, right, to perfectly learn .NET full stack course and to make you job ready. See here in .NET full stack course how the course will go here. Here it is exactly we will teach two classes. In one class UI and in second class we will start the .NET. Right, in the first class, in the first month we will teach all web technologies HTML, CSS and JavaScript in the first month. Of course, the client web technologies is common for every full stack developer. Either you are the Java developer, a .NET developer or Python developer. Whoever the front part is a client system development is the same for all. And here it is in .NET course. Parallelly, we will start that C#.NET, like the basics of .NET, right? Will start in the first month, including the logical programming. Right, with all concepts we will start. So 2 classes will go. Each class, each session is a 1.5 hour duration. So 3 hours you need to attend the classes. After that, the practice. What all the tasks we will provide in the classes, the same tasks you have to complete. Right, once you complete all the tasks, so that you can leave for that day. Here it is in the second month. Right, we will start the remaining concepts of JavaScript ES6 and we will start the database. So what is that backend means? We will start SQL server classes in the second month. Right, after completion of that, parallelly what we will start means what? Here it is ADO.NET and ASP.NET. Server side programming we will start in the second month. See, as a .NET developer, if you learn perfectly these concepts in 2 months, right, with the practice and everything, whatever the tasks we are providing, everything if you learn within 2 months, right, you can easily get the job as a Java developer. As a .NET developer, easily you will get the job. Suppose here, right, after completion of these 2 months, right, in the third month, so what we are providing in the third month, right, here it is we will start the framework called Angular framework. We will start Angular, and parallelly here it is we will teach you that MVC in the third month. Right, along with that, all the communication classes, resume preparation, how to upload the resume and everything. For that we are taking one extra month, right, to make you perfect in all these areas where you are little bit weak, and everything we will check. Right, based on that we will train you, and in 4 months easily you will get the job as a .NET developer. Hope you understood. Thank you.